Always Alyssa.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Always Alyssa. So before I get started on anything, I want to show you guys my sweatshirt because it is so cute. I love it so much. It is a family fun pack sweatshirt. It is so adorable. So finally we have merch. I'll try to show you the back. I think it's just yellow. It might have like a bee or something on the back, but I can't see it. But just trust me, there's something on the back. I don't know. Anyways, this is like so cute. It's like super comfortable. So yeah, we have those for sale. That's pretty cool. And as you know already, I recently got braces. So of course, I'm still getting used to them. So I don't know if you guys know what a spacer is. I think I explained it in one of my recent videos, but it's like a little rubber band that goes in your teeth, and one of them fell out, which is really bad. So we had to call the orthodontist because that's like a really important thing, and if it falls out, you have to call them and then like go in and get another appointment. So we called them and they didn't answer, so we left a voice message and they still didn't answer. And then finally, after a long time, they did answer, and they said they would probably be okay because my appointment is going to be in a couple days anyways. So luckily that's okay. That was pretty crazy. But I want to show you guys, I've actually been cleaning my room a lot lately, and it's made me so much happier just to like be in a clean room. So let me show you. Well, I'll start right here. So yeah, that's my room. And all of my lovely foxes. My laundry's actually getting pretty full back there, so I'm gonna go take it and sort it. Okay, so I finished sorting my laundry, and oh my gosh, I almost forgot to tell you guys something. So guess what? I got a box in the mail recently. It was all of this LOL stuff, including this car. Like, isn't that so cool? Even though I don't play with toys anymore, I still consider myself a toy expert. I love collecting them, analyzing them, and especially seeing all the latest and greatest ones that come out each year. So let's get started with opening some of the ones I have here today. Let's do this ball here first. Let's do this one next. Just kidding. Whoa, oh my gosh. I've opened all of her clothes and accessories, and it's time to see which doll I got. Oh my gosh, look at her hair and her makeup. It's so cute. She is ready to go out. Let's see what she does. Here we go. Oh my gosh, she sees. Oh my gosh, it's like shiny. Wow, that's awesome. This car is so cool, and I also have to open this box. Ooh, so many surprises. Ooh, is that like a seat? That's so cool. Look how cool the lights are. They're actually on. What I love about this car is that it can become a swimming pool. Oh my gosh, we spilled, and I just spilled more on accident. Oh shoot. Oops. There we go. Let's swim. Let's see who's next. Whoa, look at her hair. It's so unique. The braids look so cool. Next we have her. Whoa, her outfit is so cool. Look at her shoes. I love her. She is so cool. Last but not least, we have this one. Whoa, look at her purple hair. That's so cool. She has really fluffy hair. I have two more things to open, this and this. I'm gonna try to pour it very slowly. I don't know why I'm using a bucket with a hole right there, but here we go. Smells good. It's time to dig through, see what's inside. So cool. Like watermelon or something. It's literally like a snow cone, just not cool. I think the surprises are at the very bottom. Here's the next one. Let's wash it off. Oh, I found another one. Ooh, another one. Last one. Time to wash them off. Here's what I got. There's one more left to open and I can't wait to see what's inside of it. Ooh, satisfying. Looks like there's gonna be different animals, so I hope I get a dog. Ooh, this is cool looking. Oh, I got the cat! She's so cute! Aww. She almost looks like a little bit like a dog. Look at all the surprises that come inside. Oh wow, there's a lot. Oh wow, there's a lot more.
How does that much stuff fit inside one small animal?
I don't even know.
So debate, is it a dog or a cat? What do you think?
I'm not sure. I'll have to see what the surprises are.
Oh, that might be a good clue.
So I thought this was kitty litter, but now I'm starting to think it's a dog because there's a dog bone. I'm super confused. This is so cool. Look. Oh my gosh, there's a surprise inside? Ooh, I wonder what it could be. So satisfying. Oh, you're probably wondering what came in this. Well, it was a little bunny. I'm uncovering the next one. Oh look, it's a little bunny baby. Here's the next one. Ooh. That was satisfying. Oh, look. She's so cute. Oh, it's a puppy. Aw. These LOL pets are so cute. I love the pink and blue mixed with the black. It looks so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I have some schoolwork and music practice to get on with right now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!